Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Dana with Wigs by Dana. And one of the first questions I always hear from people is, how do you keep a wig on? So today I thought I would do a few little things and really just kind of go through some of the different options that you have when you're placing your wig on and how to keep it secure. So one of the first things you can see, I pinned my hair up with some bobby pins. Old Faithful bobby pins always work. And really what you want to do, if you have hair, try to get it as flat as possible. And my hair is pretty long. So with the bobby pins, however many you need that makes you feel secure, definitely go about that step. So one of the first things any wig is going to have is adjustable straps. So whether they look like the Velcro on this one, let me show you. You can tighten or loosen it, or some manufacturers will actually have like a little bra strap. So if your wig, when you first put it on, feels a little loose, just know that you can tighten those adjustable straps to get a more customized fit so it feels more snug. So other than that, another thing I want you to look for, and this is going to be more on your higher end wigs, of the higher quality. And one of the things you'll notice is the polyurethane strips. And a lot of times they may have it on the whole cap, but mostly you'll see it on the ear tabs or at the nape, and sometimes an extra area here or across the top. That will actually provide a little bit more of a suction, and that'll help it have a stronger grip. Great for those who have little to no hair, because from the heat from the body, it'll grab a hold of and stay put. So, as I said, keep your hair flat. Use the bobby pins. Old Faithful bobby pins still work to this day. Now, the next thing is wig caps. I'm not a big fan because as long as I secure it with the bobby pins, it works. But you can use a wig cap if you don't like the bobby pins, and just pull it back. You want to make sure it sits a little bit back from the hairline, especially if you're going to have a lace front. And then that'll help hold your hair down, especially if somebody is sensitive going through chemo. A wig cap is great because it kind of protects their own skin from the wefting of a wig. So if you happen to use that, one of the things you really can't quite do, well, I'll get to that. Let me show you. If you don't use a wig cap, this is a great alternative, and this is the wig grip. And basically, same thing kind of like the wig cap. You want to make sure you push it back just a little bit from the hairline, and that's going to give you a little bit of a grip when you place the wig on to keep it from slipping and sliding. So from that, the other thing you can do is some caps will come with little toupee clips, and I've done that. I'm going to show you real quick on this one wig of mine. You'll see I added a few extra little clips to the side so that it can grip. Now if I'm going to add little toupee clips, you really don't want to have a wig cap on because that's not going to allow it to clip. So the next thing I want to show, I'm actually going to keep this on. Let's keep this on. So you got the secure your wig. Second is the polyurethane strips that you can find inside the higher end caps. Synthetic and human hair, you can find that. Use the bobby pins. You have the option of the wig cap or the wig grip. Then you've got the toupee clips that you can add to the wig. And if you want, you have also the, I guess you'd call it the double-sided tape or the Stay Secure. They got a few different names, but basically it's double-sided tape. Now if you're using double-sided tape, you can use that on the strips here. A lot of people may use it on the hairline towards the lace front, but you don't want to have hair if you're using this. because that can pull on your own hair. And if you're thinning or going through losing hair, you don't want to have that pull. So more so for someone who has no hair, maybe alopecia. And the next thing, this is one of my favorites. I love the It Stays. Let me show you. And I do sell that on the website. And it's actually a water-soluble adhesive. And I'm going to just show you real quick. Now it's kind of like a roll-on. And what I like to do is just kind of put some right at the hairline. And it really does. And if you want, you can even add a little more. It never hurts. I say a little more. It's just going to give me that added security. Now, I'm going to grab one of my wigs. Which one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. And I'm going to show you how easy. So it should be kind of, give it a little second to just kind of soft, kind of like when you're putting your eyelashes on. If you do that, you put it on, let it dry a little bit. So let this just kind of get a little tacky. And then I'm going to put this on. And now when I'm wearing my wigs, I always do the It Stays, because it truly, truly, truly adds a sense of security. And I can literally not worry about my wig slipping at all. So once I have it, I always check the 2 tabs. I always say, rule number 1, make sure you have it on straight. And then once you put it on and adjust it exactly where you kind of feel comfortable, just kind of hold your fingers on it just a second. And then once you do that, if you want to play with the hair a little bit, everybody loves this one on me. But anyhow, that, I mean, literally, I can pull. That's going to stay on all day. And even when I get ready to pull it off, it's not going to pull on my hair. I can just slightly pull on it and it'll pull right off. Now, if you feel like that's going to pull on your hair at all, then just, you can wet it a little bit and it'll be just fine. So hopefully that gives you a few ideas on what to do and how to secure your wig just a little bit more. And if you have any questions, definitely go to my website, fill out a consultation, just send me a quick message or give me a call, and I'll be glad to help give you some more solutions. You have a blessed one. Bye.